Hello and welcome back. This time, wildsofeldraine. What is this? Second? Third video of Spooky Seasons? I like this set, but honestly, I'm only looking for 2 cards. Smothering Tides and Mystic Study. Just so I could be that guy. Pay the 1. We pay the 1. Hey. Nothing else than just to be a menace. Why do I suck so much at opening these? Alright, never mind. A beast. Oh, I'm a beast. I got a beast card. The odds. And oh, that's a nice one. That's going in the binder. Alright, and give me luck, guys. Give me luck. Guys, beast tracker. Oh, sorry. Tendant. Spell stutter. Disconcerting financer. Oops. Oh, 3 bowl of porridge. Gingerbread hunter. Dutiful griffin. Red tooth genealogist. Grave pack. Oh, that's a good one. Grave pack. Ooh, okay, never mind. We're going good. Tenant messenger. Stingblade. Oh, okay. Oh. Whenever a creature you control dies, each other player sacrifices a creature. Oh, okay. And this is a. Ooh. Okay, never mind, guys. We're back on track. Alright, guys. Later.